Osana?
You kept me waiting, you dummy. Listen up, okay? Because I have something really important to say.
What is it?
You know, a lot of boys ask me to go out with them, but I always turn them down. It's not like I'm not interested in boys. I just didn't feel like dating anyone, except for one person.
Who?
Someone who's always been there, right next to me. Up until now, I always thought of you as just a childhood friend. No, I was just trying to tell myself that because I was afraid to admit my feelings. But I finally realized I can't keep lying to myself and lying to you. I have to be honest with my feelings. This is so embarrassing, but I can't stand just being friends anymore. Listen up, okay? Because it takes a lot of courage to say this. I love you, you idiot! I love you more than anything else in the world!
To tell you the truth, Osana, I feel the same way about you.
I don't get it. I should be so happy, but I can't stop crying. You're being honest, right?
Of course I am. I love you, Osana.
I'm so happy. Please, never leave me, you big dummy.